In a vast, rugged expanse of Texas, where justice is as wild and untamed as the land itself, there exists a legend, a man known as J.J. McQuade, the Lone Wolf. In the 1983 classic action film Lone Wolf McQuade, we witnessed the fusion of raw martial arts prowess and explosive storytelling, creating a thrilling cinematic experience like no other. Chuck Norris stars as J.J. McQuade, a renegade Texas Ranger with a reputation that precedes him.
So, the Lone Wolf pays us a visit. As you can see, mine's bigger.
Mine's loaded.
McQuade is a force of nature, a one-man army who fights his own battles and dispenses justice with a relentless determination. But what sets McQuade apart is his mastery of martial arts, a skill that becomes the backbone of his relentless pursuit of truth and vengeance. McQuade's martial arts journey begins with his intense training regimen. Underneath the blistering Texan sun, he hones his mind, body, and spirit, mastering disciplines like karate, kung fu, and judo.
Tough guy.
Each technique becomes a weapon in his arsenal, enhancing his ability to overcome any challenge that comes his way. As the story unfolds, McQuade's skills are put to the ultimate test. A dangerous criminal organization led by the sadistic Raleigh Wilkes, played by David Carradine, threatens the peace of the region. Their paths collide, and what ensures is a heart-pounding battle of epic proportions.
Gonna go for one, Ranger? No thanks. I don't fight for money.
It is through McQuade's martial arts that we witness the true depth of his character. His movements are precise, calculated, and powerful, reflecting the discipline and honor he embodies. Each punch, each kick is a testament to his unwavering determination to protect those he holds dear and uphold justice in the face of evil. But McQuade's adversary, Raleigh Wilkes, is no ordinary villain. He too possesses martial arts skills that match McQuade's own. As their rivalry intensifies, their battles become a captivating display of technique and strategy. The clash between the Lone Wolf and the cunning Wilkes elevates the action sequences to breathtaking heights. Yet, Lone Wolf McQuade is more than just a showcase of martial arts prowess. It's a story of resilience, redemption, and the triumph of the human spirit. McQuade's journey is one of personal growth, where his martial arts skills serve as both a physical and metaphorical representation of his transformation. Through the integration of martial arts, the film conveys a deeper message. It explores the power of discipline, focus, and perseverance as tools for personal evolution. McQuade's journey teaches us that even in the face of seemingly overwhelming challenges, we can rise above our limitations and become stronger, both physically and emotionally. In a climactic finale, McQuade and Wilkes engage in a battle that transcends mere physical combat. It's a showdown of ideologies, a clash between good and evil, where martial arts become a conduit for the film's central themes. The choreography and precision of the fight scenes serve as a visual representation of the deeper conflict at play. Lone Wolf McQuade is a testament to the power of martial arts in cinema. It seamlessly integrates the art form into the narrative, elevating the action and enriching the characters. Chuck Norris's portrayal of J.J. McQuade, a lone warrior with indomitable spirit, combined with the thrilling martial arts sequences, captivates audience to this day. So, join us as we embark on a journey with the Lone Wolf, a man who embodies the spirit of martial arts and brings justice to the untamed Texan frontier. Lone Wolf McQuade is a true classic.
Hostages?
You coming?
See you later.
Let's go.
J.J. McQuade, you'll never change!
A film where martial arts becomes the lifeblood of a story that continues to enthrall audiences with its timeless blend of action and adventure.
Don't die on me now, damn it.
Get me a beer, kid.